Alright, so George right here won the giveaway. So we're gonna go ahead, go into item shop, and we're gonna go into Astro Jack. That's the one that you wanted, right? Astro Jack? Just confirming before I do anything. We're gonna go all the way down to buy us gifts. We're gonna press Y. We're gonna look for your name, which is an M. Now my list is very, very, very big. So until I get to the letter M, it's gonna be a little bit, okay? So I'm just looking for your name right now. So while I scroll down, make sure guys, if you guys want to participate, there's the 3 steps that I'm gonna be showing you at the end of this video. But right now we're just gonna give out this first winner from our giveaway, and there's more winners coming up. Alright, so we finally found George right here. We're just gonna click on continue on. We're gonna send out, let's pick this gift. Yeah, I guess the first one looks nice. Send, and we're sending the gift right now to one of our winners. So you should have got it. If you got it, you can go ahead and wear it right away so everybody can see your brand new skin. Your birthday is tomorrow. Okay, so this is an early birthday gift. Oh, there we go. Nice skin. All right, do an emote for us so we can see a nice emote with that skin. Ha, there we go. All right. So that's our first winner. Other winners are coming up. You just have to follow these 3 simple steps. Number 1, go right into your item shop. Down here below, you guys will see support a creator. Just tap right there and you guys will type in, just enter tech and design just like you see it right here. Accept. That's step number 1. Step number 2, subscribe to this YouTube channel, Tech and Design. So just hit subscribe. Step number 3, below in the comments area of this video, you're gonna type in, I want to win a free skin battle pass emote back bling. It depends what you guys want to win, just type that in. So in this case, if you're signing up for a free skin, type in what skin you guys want. If you guys want the battle pass, if you're signing up for that, then it's the battle pass. So be specific what you guys want, and in the end, just type in your epic username. And that's because I have to match up your epic username with whatever name you guys are using right here on YouTube. Anyways, that would be it. All you guys have to do is follow those 3 very simple steps and you're all done. That's it for this video. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.